Hello, and welcome to the channel Easy English Daily, learning podcast and real conversation.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our English podcast. I'm Chloe.
And I am Liam. Today, we are going to a very beautiful country in Southeast Asia.
Oh, I think I know this place. Is it famous for coffee and friendly people?
Yes, and it is famous for a very special soup.
Is it Vietnam?
Exactly. Today, we're talking about Vietnam.
That is amazing. Liam, I heard that you traveled to Vietnam last year, right?
Yes, I did. I stayed there for 2 weeks. It was the best trip of my life.
I am so jealous. I really want to go to Vietnam too.
Well, today I will tell you everything. We will talk about the weather, the people, the prices, and especially the food.
Listeners, are you ready? Let's learn English and travel to Vietnam with Liam. So, Liam, when you arrived in Vietnam, what was your first impression?
The first thing I felt was the heat. The weather in Vietnam is very different from England.
Is it very hot?
Yes, I arrived in Ho Chi Minh City. It was 35 degrees Celsius. I was sweating a lot.
Sweating. Let's explain this word. When you are very hot, water comes out of your skin. That is sweating.
Exactly. But in the north, like in Hanoi, the weather can be cool or even cold in winter.
That's interesting. What about the traffic? I saw many videos of motorbikes.
Oh my God, Chloe. The motorbikes are everywhere. It's like a sea of motorbikes.
Was it difficult to cross the street?
At first, I was terrified. I stood on the sidewalk for 10 minutes. I couldn't move.
So how did you cross?
A local person helped me. He said, "Just walk slowly. Don't stop. The motorbikes will move around you."
That sounds like a big adventure. Were the people in Vietnam friendly to you?
They were incredibly kind. Even if they didn't speak much English, they always smiled and tried to help.
I love that. A smile is a universal language.
One time, I got lost. An old lady saw me. She pointed to the map and showed me the way. She even gave me a small bottle of water for free.
That is so sweet. And what about the prices? Is it expensive to travel in Vietnam?
Not at all, Chloe. For a person from Europe or America, Vietnam is very cheap.
Really? How much is a meal?
You can have a big lunch for only $2 or $3. A cup of famous Vietnamese iced coffee is only about $1.
Wow, I can be a rich person in Vietnam.
Yes, you can stay in a very nice hotel for a small price. It is great for travelers on a budget.
Okay, Liam, now the most important part. Tell me about the food. Tell me about pho.
Ah, pho. I have to say, I have never eaten anything like it before. It is wonderful.
Describe it for me. What is in a bowl of pho?
So, it's a noodle soup. The broth, the soup part, is cooked for hours with bones and spices like cinnamon and ginger.
Cinnamon and ginger? It must smell amazing.
It smells like heaven. They put thin slices of beef or chicken on top and lots of fresh herbs.
Where did you eat it? In a fancy restaurant?
No, the best pho is on the street. I sat on a small plastic chair on the sidewalk.
A small plastic chair? Like a toy?
Yes, it was very funny. My knees were near my chin, but the taste? Oh my God, Chloe, it was delicious.
Describe the taste. Was it salty? Sweet?
It was perfectly balanced. It was savory and fresh. I added a little bit of chili and some lime juice.
Lime. That is a small green fruit, like a lemon, but sourer.
Yes, I took the first spoonful. I was shocked. I told the shop owner, "This is the best thing I have ever tasted."
Did she understand you?
She didn't speak English, but she saw my face. I had a big smile. She was very happy and gave me more noodles.
I am so hungry now, Liam. I have never tried real pho in Vietnam. Liam, your story is so inspiring. If I have a chance, I really want to go to Vietnam next summer.
You should, Chloe. You will love the Ha Long Bay, the ancient town of Hoi An, and the mountains in Sapa.
I want to try pho. I want to drink that iced coffee, and I want to meet those friendly people.
I will go with you. I want to eat pho again. I dream about it every night.
Okay, let's save money for our Vietnam trip.
Before we finish, let's look at some words. First, terrified.
That means very, very scared. Liam was terrified of the motorbikes. For example, I am terrified of spiders.
Second, savory.
This describes food that is salty and delicious, not sweet, like pho.
Third, ancient.
This means very, very old, like the ancient town of Hoi An in Vietnam.
We have a question for you today. Have you ever tried Vietnamese food?
And if you are from Vietnam, please tell us, where is the best place to eat pho in your city?
We want to know. Please write in the comments. We will read every comment.
Thank you for listening to episode 06. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
See you next time. Goodbye.
Bye, everyone.